Welcome to the Canon imagePROGRAF Status Monitor Mailbox Setup and File Transfer. First, open your imagePROGRAF Status Monitor software. Then click on the Hard Disk tab. Open up the Common box. This will display all of the jobs that have been sent to the hard drive of your imagePROGRAF printer. Here, select the jobs that you wish to transfer, and then click Move. Now, select another available mailbox. Now the jobs that you selected have been moved to the available mailbox. Close the window. Now set up your mailbox. Here you see the two jobs Healing Spaces cover image have been sent over to the new mailbox. To set up your mailbox, click Settings. Here, give your mailbox a name. If you choose to, select a password, a 4-digit number. Now your own custom mailbox has been created. You may close the window, and here you can access your other mailbox. See the lock icon to show that it is password protected. When you open the mailbox, you must enter your 4-digit password. From the mailbox, you can select jobs, move jobs, reprint jobs, and find out the properties of the job.